How you doing, everybody? So I got an issue here with my outside Silcock. This is a anti-siphon valve, and this top piece is the vacuum breaker, which is part of the anti-siphon device. So when I turn it on, I have water coming out of the top of it. So that's a problem. Obviously I can't leave it that way. So I went to Home Depot and I picked up a replacement vacuum breaker kit for $3, and I'm not quite sure if this will actually fit in there, but I believe the inside part, which has the washer on it, is really what I need for this, and that should take care of this. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to turn the water back off. I'm going to relieve the pressure. Alright, now this particular one here doesn't screw off. You actually have to take a screwdriver and pop the cap off. And here's our vacuum breaker right here. And this is a Prifer. It's a Prifer valve, so take this off, and here is the problem. This little washer here that goes in the top was kinked, and I think this washer was kinked, so it wasn't making a full seal up inside this. I think what happened was I left this hose on and we got an early freeze, and the water was off, but the hose was packed with water. When it froze, obviously the ice expanded and it pushed on this, and that's what kind of broke this washer on the inside. So I'll take my new one, see what it looks like. Like I said, this is just a universal replacement one for $3, and no, this is not gonna work here. But what I actually need is the inside piece that has the washer and this small little fitting. So this little thing goes on the inside. Now this is the new one, which I'm not going to use, but I'm going to use the old insert, and the washer goes in, and that creates a seal on the top of that vacuum breaker. So we'll just screw this original one back in with the new seal on the inside. Only needs to be hand tight. And we'll pop the cap back on. Turn the water on. There we go. No more leak. So that was an easy fix that anybody can do. It cost me $3. Turn it off. There we go, no leaks. So you have this problem, obviously this is an easy fix and a very inexpensive one also. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate you watching. If you would, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.